harvest and process some milk thistle seeds. Milk thistle is easy to grow from seed, but it can be a bit tricky to harvest as they are surrounded by the prickly bracts. Wear gloves to protect your hands while harvesting. Using some garden clippers to cut the seed heads off about an inch below the seed head, then drop it into a paper grocery sack or an empty cardboard oatmeal container. After all the seed heads are in the bag, roll the end closed and give it a good shake. Continue to do this every couple of days. This will help a lot of the seeds to naturally fall out of the bracts. The seed heads have dried, use a rolling pin to roll over them through the bag to crush the heads so that they release the seeds. Alternately, you might find it easier to remove the seed heads one at a time. Turn them topside down onto a durable cloth like canvas and use the end of the rolling pin to crush the seeds flat. This will help to loosen up the final seeds and also weaken the spiny bracts so that you can handle them easier. Turn the seed head over and use your finger to work the remaining seeds loose. Note that the seeds are all around the perimeter of the seed head, and you won't find any in the center. This is best done outdoors on a breezy day so that you can get an assist in removing the dried bits of plant you don't want in your seeds. Be careful as you'll find tiny prickles in this mixture. You can pour them onto a screen or into a mesh strainer to shake off the excess plant parts and scoop out the seeds. I find it easy to scoop up a tablespoon of seeds into my hands and winnow them back and forth, letting the breeze blow off the chaff. I will also pick off larger pieces with my fingers. Store your seeds in a glass jar in the freezer. When you're ready to use the seeds, you will need to grind them. You can either use a coffee grinder or a mortar and pestle. Grind only the amount you will be needing to use to keep them from going rancid.